No, you are not getting out. You've been bad. Yes, Rascal, you've been bad. Yeah, this is what you get for making sex noises. And don't you dare interrupt me like Tom did. You heard what I said. This is what you get for keeping me up the day before yesterday night. So, this is all on you. If you had stopped the sex noises and learned to accept that some cats don't want to have sex with you, then maybe none of this would have happened. So, if it's any cat to blame, it's you and Quantum. And Quantum, this is your own fault too. Don't interrupt me, young man. As I was saying, Quantum, this is your fault. No. Maybe if you learned that some people are uncomfortable with the sex noises, then maybe I wouldn't have put you in the basement. Maybe if you learn to listen and learn to accept that some people are uncomfortable with sex noises like Tom did when he got fixed, then maybe you wouldn't have been in the basement. That goes for you too, Quantum. You're in the basement because you tried to have sex with Allison, but Mom told you no. Yeah, you heard me, Quantum. You've been bad. Bad boys. Bad boys. Pumpkin? You're being a good boy. Allison? Allison's being a good girl, even though she usually is a bad girl when it comes to food. You see Pumpkin over here? Pumpkin's being a good boy. Because, one, he's fixed, and he knows better. Unlike you two. Yeah, you heard me, Quantum. You're a bad boy too. So don't you blame it all on Pumpkin. This is both of your faults. And you are not coming out of the basement. You've been bad. Tom's also being a good boy. He used to be bad when he wasn't fixed by making the sex noises, and we had to put him in the basement. Didn't we, Tom? Bad. But now you're a good boy, Tom. You're a good boy. Meow. Hi. Hi, Thomas. Hi, buddy. All right, you guys. Quantum. You ain't coming out. No. Why should I let you out? Why should I let you both out? Huh? Why should I let you both out? You can stick your paw under there all you want, but you are not coming out. You can cry all you want, but this is what you bad boys get for trying to have sex with the other girls. Yeah, you heard me. You're in timeout. No, you've been bad. You've been bad. You have been bad. Milo, I wouldn't go over there if I were you. I'd be mad at him. Don't listen to him, Milo. He's been bad. Your brother has been bad. Your brother has been bad. Alright, you guys, that is the end of this video. Stay tuned for the live stream in a couple hours of me reading Feel the Flames by Olivia Rose Darling. No! No, rascal! Bye.